Hello students and parents. In this video, we will talk about the difference between JEE Mains exam and MHT-CET exam. We are asked this question quite often by parents and students. They need to understand the difference between these two, how to prepare for both. So, because finally both exams are important in their own ways, JEE Mains gives admission to national colleges and it also has a 15% quota for state colleges, and CET is basically for state colleges, and there is a vast 65% quota through the MHT-CET to all the Maharashtra colleges. So obviously every student from Maharashtra likes to excel in both the exams. So this is generally the case. So how do we do that, and what's the difference between the two exams? So let's look at it quickly. JEE Mains has 110 chapters in their syllabus, roughly, physics, chemistry, maths put together, whereas the MHT-CET examination has only 79 chapters. So there is a difference between the syllabus, but the good part is these 79 chapters are part of this 110. So there is nothing in the CET syllabus which is not there in JEE Mains. So if you study these 110 chapters properly up to JEE Mains level, you naturally get prepared for all these 79 chapters of CET as well. So there is no separate preparation needed for CET as such once you are prepared for 110 chapters. This is as far as the learning is concerned. But if you look at the testing pattern, there is negative marking +4 -1 here in the JEE Mains examination, and you are well aware that the amount of time that you are getting is just slightly about 2 minutes per question in the JEE Mains examination. Whereas as far as CET is concerned, you have a +2 0 system for maths and a +1 0 system for physics chemistry. So because it's a +1 0 system for physics chemistry and a +2 0 system for mathematics, there is no negative marking in CET. This is the one major difference. There is negative marking in JEE Mains, there is no negative marking in the MHT-CET examination. So essentially, this is one major reason why we encourage students in MHT-CET to attempt all questions, because there is no negative marking. Even if you don't find time, even if you're not able to solve the question, still you should attempt all the questions, because you can increase your marks just by this particular way, by attempting all questions. And here you have around 108 seconds per question, whereas here you have 54 seconds in physics chemistry per question. So there is you need to be very fast in solving questions in the MHT-CET examination. You have 2+ minutes per question, you have slightly less than 2 minutes per question for mathematics. This is for mathematics and this is for physics chemistry. As you know, in CET, physics chemistry का पेपर एक अलग आता है, maths का पेपर अलग आता है, and therefore this is basically how the thing is. But what is important is, here we are having concept application questions, and when I say concept application questions in JEE Mains, it means that you have to create a new formula to solve a question. So create a new formula. So it's not that existing स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला सब्स्टिट्यूट करके प्रॉब्लम JEE Mains में सॉल्व होंगे, ऐसे बहुत कम क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होते हैं. मोस्ट क्वेश्चंस विल रिक्वायर अ कंसेप्ट टू बी अप्लाइड टू दैट सिचुएशन, क्रिएटिंग अ न्यू फार्मूला फॉर दैट सिचुएशन एंड सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम. So this is the basic aspect, whereas here you will have mostly information based questions in CET and standard formula substitution. So there is a standard formula which is available, you just have to substitute that, get the answer fast. So these are standard formula substitution based questions. So there is a very big difference. If you can do this, this is very easy. If you can do a negative marking based test practice, doing this kind of stuff and practicing these tests doesn't become a challenge. You can definitely do it. So preparing for both the exams, कैसे करते हैं? So focus on these 110 chapters, study them up to JEE Mains or JEE Advanced levels. This naturally constitutes preparation for the 79 chapters. Give about 20-25 mock tests for CET and you will easily be able to crack the CET examination by just studying for about 15-20 days before the CET examination. तो पूरे 2 साल में JEE का ही तैयारी करना है, सिर्फ लास्ट 15-20 डेज में CET के टेस्ट सीरीज लिखनी है और CET के स्पेसिफिक एग्जाम स्ट्रेटजीज प्रैक्टिस करने हैं, जो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूले लगते हैं जो CET के एग्जाम में उसको रिवाइज करना है और देना है. It will easily translate into 99+ or 99.9+ percentile scores as well. Thousands of students of IITPK in the past so many years have been extremely successful in CET by studying for less than 15 days, just based on this strategy of preparing for JEE. You just need to write a few mock tests and that leads to wonderful scores in the MHT-CET examination. So hope you understand this broad difference between the two and you will accordingly strategize and prepare as per the advice given. Thank you very much for watching.